All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. Hey everybody, Wade McNutt here, pianomeditation.com. Hey, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time here, our song today is Goodness of God. Let's just start in prayer. God, we just thank you for your goodness. And pray for the student wherever they are in the world. And let's just take a moment to think of something. Think of the goodness that God has done in our lives and just thank him for that. Your name, amen. All right, so we are in the key of A flat. Don't let that scare you. Just like playing in any other key, just press some keys down, you move them around. All right, just got some black keys in there, so don't worry. If you want to use cheat sheets, highly recommend getting those. Look down in the description. It says email list. Sign up for that, and I'll send you some cheat sheets. Go to the key for A flat, and you can review some of the chords there. Also below the video, you can look for the lyrics and chords. Copy and paste those. Sweet. And if you sign up for the list, you can also vote. So let's look at our first chord here. Straight up A flat. A flat. C, E flat. And in the bass, we play this A flat and D. Or E flat, I mean. Get a couple chords going and they'll start singing and playing through the song. Then we're going to shift to a D flat chord. D flat, F, and A flat. And the reason we're playing it this way is because we want to keep everything close together. So a normal D flat chord is D flat, F, A flat. We're just going to put the A flat boop, on the bottom. Bam. Keeps everything close together from our first chord to our second chord. We're going to do that, those inversions through the whole thing. We'll play some octave D flats in the bass. All right, when it goes to an E flat slash G, first of all, let's look at what an E flat is. E flat chord, E flat, G, B flat. And normally you'd have just E flats here in the bass, but since it says slash G, that's only talking to the bass player here. So we go play a G, you can play octave Gs, or you can play just a single G and an E flat here. And now let's look at the F minor chord. So normally we do F, A flat, and C, but let's just keep, like we're playing a regular A flat chord, the first one we learned, let's just keep playing that, but we're gonna play F in the bass. This way we barely have to move at all. What it's gonna make it is an F minor 7. That's what this note does. And it sounds great. Sweet. And of course your E flat chord, what we did before, but just E's in the bass. So if we look at the beginning of the song, you're just gonna be plunking away here in the right hand while the left hand holds out. I love you, Lord. Oh, your mercy never fails. 2, 3, all my days. All right, so if this is already too fast for you, that means you need to stop and learn each chord. So get the cheat sheets, circle the ones that you need to do, or write and scribble this stuff down, pause the video, and if you can't move in between these quickly, then you can't play the song. So just learn the chords, not that big a deal. Okay. Sweet. One thing I do on that E flat slash G, sometimes I will play it this way. Where the right hand, instead of playing the E flat chord this way, I drop the thumb and I play 2 thumbs there. Just a preference of mine that happens. So if you want to do that, then it slides real nicely to that F minor 7. So try that, going from the A flat, E flat slash G, then to the F minor 7. Whatever you want to do. Sweet. So what I'll do is play through different parts of the song, and then at the end we will play and sing worship together. Let's play the A flat, 2, 3, 4. I love you, Lord, 2, 3, 4. Oh, your mercy never failed, 2, 3. All my days I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up till I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. So working through a verse like that, you've got to see where the chords line up, and sometimes they're in between the lyrics. So example, at the beginning, I love you, Lord, and then it lands after Lord, 2, 3. Oh, your mercy never fails me. So the next, before we hit the next change, is between fails and me. Fails me. All my days I've been right on held here. Held in your hands. All right, see how that's lining? From the moment that I wake up. So on a song that's real syncopated like this, if you're not used to playing and singing, you'll need to get used to doing that, seeing where they line up. And once you can figure out that, just take it a line by line, and you'll get it. Sweet. Let me play through verse 2. I love your voice, 2, 3. You have led me through the fire in darkest night. You are close like no other. I've known you as a father. I've known you as a friend. And I have lived in the goodness of God too. All right? So again, don't feel like you got to rush through the song in real time. Pause it and work through each little part. Work on the lines if you want to be able to play and sing it at the same time. Looking at the chorus here. 2, 3, 4. All my life you have been faithful. 3, 4. And all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. Okay, so that verse 2 comes in after you sing the chorus the first time. Let's look at the bridge here. So we have an A flat slash C. So again, A flat here in the top. After the slash, talking to your bass players. Hopefully you just have one, not bass players. Your goodness. So that'll play before you start singing. Your goodness is running after me. 4. Your goodness is running after me. Me, right? Me, boom, me, boom. See where those line up. With my life laid down, I surrender now and give you everything. Your goodness is running after me. And then it repeats. And then we have chorus toward the end. The only little difference, one more thing you need to point out before we play and sing it together, is that the tag, it's an F minor 7 at the end of the chorus into our tag. So it would be, I will sing of the goodness of God, but then it changes to a different chord there. And I will sing of the goodness of God. 2, 3. I will sing of the goodness of God. Then we're at our ending. So wait. Oh, you get this? Just take it one step at a time, one chord at a time, one line at a time. Break it down, and you can do this. Cool. Right before we play and sing this together, I want to point out one more neat little thing on the cheat sheets. Again, you can get those down in the description. Just click on email list. I want to talk about changing keys in a song like this. So maybe A flat doesn't work for you. Maybe you want to change it to the key of G. Okay, so look down at natural numbers and see what an A chord is. Okay, it should say 1 under it, right? If you look down at the D flat, it says 4. What's an E flat / G? Ooh, that's a good question. Yep, 5/7. Then our F minor says 6-, which is minor. Okay, so if you remember that, 1 chord, 4 chord, 1 chord, 5/7, 6. So in the cheat sheet, if you flip to the key of G, let's see what those numbers are. Well, G is a 1. Okay. Your 4 chord is a C chord. What's that 5/7? It's a D/F sharp. Or 6 minors and E minor. So, bam. So thinking in numbers is really powerful. And they call them Nashville numbers because that's what they're doing in Nashville. And this is the way people can just switch the key of song very fast. In fact, a lot of charts are just written in Nashville numbers. I love you, Lord. Oh, your mercy never fails me in all my days. Right? Or the same thing if we're playing it in C. I love you, Lord. Oh, your mercy never fails me all my days. Right? Doesn't matter what key. Because I understand the natural numbers and I understand the keys, then you can do that. So that's something for you to dive into, maybe get you to the next level. Sweet. Let's play and sing and worship through this thing together. So let's just stay on an A flat. I'll count you in. 1, 2. I love you, Lord. Oh, your mercy never fails me all my days. I've been held in your hand. I might just held out more chords here. Moment I wake up until I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, and I will sing of the goodness of God. Verse 2. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire and darkest night. You are close like no other. I've known you as a father, I've known you as a friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, and I will sing of the goodness of God. Let's go to the bridge. Your goodness is running after me. Your goodness is running after me. With my life laid down, I surrender now. I give you everything. Your goodness is running after me. Sing that again. Your goodness is running after me. Don't mind my mistake, sorry. Your goodness is running after me. With my life laid out, I surrender now. Give you everything. Your goodness is running after me. Play another A flat chord. Chorus, real low. All my life you have been faithful. 3, 4. All my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, and I will sing of the goodness. Go to the 6 minor of God, F minor, and I will sing of the goodness of God. Amen. All right, guys. Hope y'all are learning something. Hope you're getting less and less afraid of playing in different keys. God bless y'all. Wade McNutt here. Subscribe, join, sign up for the email list, all that great stuff. Love to keep in contact with you and see your votes for the next song. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.